With tax time upon us, a new survey reveals that too many tax myths are making it seem more daunting to file than it needs to be.
TurboTax did a survey conducted by Talker Research where we surveyed 4,000 Americans. And in this survey, we found that all across generations, there are a lot of misconceptions about filing taxes. 20% of Gen Z believe that students don't need to file taxes, and 13% also believed that if you're paid in cash, you don't need to file taxes. And then we saw even more misconceptions with boomers, with 37% thinking you don't need to file taxes and you won't get a tax refund if you make under the IRS income threshold.
The truth, Green Lewis says, people earning under the IRS threshold and students are not required to file, but should file if they had federal taxes taken out or are eligible for certain refund credits since they may have a refund coming. What else the survey found?
47% of Americans polled hit the mark in knowing what the Earned Income Tax Credit is. It is a credit that you're given for earning income. So whether it's income from a W-2 job or being self-employed. It's also what's known as a refundable tax credit. And so what that means is people still get it even if they don't owe any taxes.
Working tax filers that fit the income requirements should make sure they claim this valuable credit worth up to $7,830 for a family with 3 kids. And in this day and age, with all the implications for filing, you should enlist help from the experts.
We saw from our survey that 77% of Americans want their refund earlier. TurboTax is giving customers their biggest refund possible. Whether you want to do your taxes yourself or have an expert do it for you, we are providing done-for-you tax experiences with unparalleled ease. And if you did not use TurboTax last tax season and you do your taxes yourself on our TurboTax mobile app, you can do your federal and state taxes for absolutely free, regardless of your tax complexity. And then we still have our TurboTax Free Edition, and that is for simple 1040 returns. And you can have earned income tax credit, child tax credit, student loans, just no additional schedules. And about 37% of tax filers qualify for that.
To get started, go to TurboTax.com.
Realizamos una encuesta con Talker Research. Encontramos que para el 77% de los estadounidenses, cuando se trata de presentar sus impuestos, su mayor interés es recibir su reembolso lo antes posible. Y con TurboTax los contribuyentes pueden recibir el máximo reembolso posible lo antes posible. TurboTax le ofrece a los contribuyentes una experiencia de presentación de impuestos completa, de facilidad inigualable, acceso rápido a su reembolso, ya sea que quieran presentar sus impuestos por sí mismos o que quieran que un experto haga sus impuestos por ellos. Y este año, los contribuyentes que se cambien a TurboTax y preparen ellos mismos sus impuestos a través de la aplicación móvil pueden preparar su declaración de impuestos federal y estatal completamente gratis. Para más información pueden visitar turbotax.com y recuerden ir a la parte de arribita, esquinita derecha, y seleccionar español.